Welcome back to Noir Velocity, where we dive deep into the absolute latest and most thrilling machines hitting the asphalt. Today, we are standing right next to something that is genuinely disrupting the entire mid-size C-segment SUV landscape, the all-new 2026 Omoda C7. If you thought family crossovers had to be dull, compromise-heavy appliances designed purely for grocery runs, Chery's fast-growing futuristic arm is here to completely rewrite that rulebook. From the moment you lay eyes on this machine, it grabs your attention with pure sci-fi swagger. Look at this front end. It sports a borderless parametric matrix grille featuring an intricate geometric mesh that blends seamlessly into the front fascia. Paired with razor-thin LED daytime running lights, sharp angular headlights, and bold spaced Omoda lettering across the hood nose, the C7 looks like it drove straight off the set of a futuristic film. Along the side profile, you get clean, aerodynamic body lines, flush pop-out door handles, blacked-out wheel arches, and impressive 19-inch multi-spoke two-tone alloy wheels. Around the back, the dynamic styling continues with a striking full-width X-Wing LED light bar, an integrated roof spoiler, and an aggressive rear diffuser. But design is only half the story. Underneath that sleek sheet metal lies serious engineering. The 2026 Omoda C7 gives you real choices when it comes to powertrain. You can go with a responsive 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine, pushing out nearly 195 horsepower and 290 Newton-meters of torque through a slick 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. But if you really want peak performance and incredible efficiency, the Super Hybrid System PHEV version pairs a 1.5-liter turbo engine with a high-output electric motor, delivering a massive combined output of up to 360 horsepower and over 530 Newton-meters of torque. That hybrid setup rockets this mid-size family SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in roughly 8.5 seconds, giving you smooth, instantaneous electric torque off the line while offering up to 108 kilometers of pure electric zero-emission driving. With a combined total driving range exceeding 1,200 kilometers, road trips with the family mean fewer fuel stops and effortless highway cruising. Step inside, and the cabin instantly elevates the experience to full luxury territory. The interior design is exceptionally clean and modern, dominated by a massive 15.6-inch sliding central infotainment touchscreen, paired with an 8.8-inch digital driver instrument display. The materials feel ultra-premium, featuring soft-touch leatherette surfaces, ambient mood lighting, and beautifully crafted ergonomic seating with electric adjustment, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions for the front seats. Comfort is top-tier across both rows. Thanks to a generous wheelbase, rear passengers enjoy class-leading legroom and headroom, making long journeys relaxed and fatigue-free for adults and kids alike. Storage space is equally generous, offering up to nearly 600 liters of trunk capacity behind the rear seats, easily accommodating luggage, strollers, and gear. Technology and safety are where the 2026 Omoda C7 truly punches above its weight. You get full wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium 12-speaker sound system, wireless phone charging, integrated Internet of Vehicles connectivity, and remote mobile app controls. On the safety front, the C7 comes standard with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including Level 2 autonomous driving features, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist, providing total peace of mind for parents driving their loved ones. When you consider the competitive pricing, starting around 96,000 Saudi Riyals or approximately 88,000 AED for base trims, and topping out around 119,000 for the fully loaded hybrid models, the 2026 Omoda C7 offers an unbeatable value proposition. It delivers head-turning style, supercar-adjacent cabin tech, hybrid fuel economy, and 5-star safety at a fraction of the cost of traditional European competitors. That is why it stands out as the absolute best choice for modern families looking for zero compromises. If you enjoyed this in-depth look, hit that like button, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and drop a comment below telling us if you would pick the turbo petrol or the super hybrid.